Hey friend, it's Simply T again, and of course I am back with a fall friendly look. You know that's my favorite season. So let's get into this install with a quick, clean skin prep with my Bold Hold skin prep that I love. And I'm just gonna go ahead and clean around my usually oily areas on the area where I wanna lay this wig down. I'm going through with my usual 2 to 3 layers of Bold Hold Active. It's my favorite glue to use, especially on a hot summer day, and it is getting super humid out there. And I just want to make sure that when I lay this wig down, it stays laid down. This is the fun part for me. I was super nervous about how orange this wig is and how it was going to look on my skin. But I curled it a bit and the lace is super duper thin. So let's test it out and see how it looks. But first, I'm going to go through with my Cover and Care cream foundation because you know I love a good blend from start to finish. So I'm just going to put a little bit of foundation on the bottom of my cap and also add a little bit more once I'm done, and pow! Ooh, see, okay, I was wrong. I am feeling it. Wearing a frontal and getting used to it, especially if you have a smaller head shape, can be a little frustrating. So that's why I always make sure that before I even cut the lace on my hairline, I go ahead and cut the lace, the excess lace from around my ear, just so I can have that extra snug fit that I'm looking for. If you spent a lot of money on your wig and you were nervous about cutting this particular part of the wig off, I would suggest starting by parting off the excess hair that goes over your ear, just so you know you're cutting something that'll actually cover your ear if you keep it on. That way you don't cut too much and you cut just enough around the wig. And cutting it backwards like I'm doing right here usually helps too. Okay, and now I'm ready to go in with one last layer of my Bold Hold Active glue, just so I can make sure that I have a snug fit. And look, I know my mouth looks greasy, okay? I got a little extra and dramatic with my Blistex when I was trying to get ready to do my makeup, so don't judge me, please. Now, I don't know about you, I might look a little serious in this video, but I promise it wasn't because I was upset or angry. I was doing my hair and watching clickbait on Netflix at the same time. So if you've been watching that show or you finally saw the finale like me, go ahead and drop a comment down on under this video and let me know what you thought about that season finale, because yeah. Now that my glue is laid down, I am just using the front and the back end of my comb to press it in before wrapping it tightly with my handy dandy elastic band. This is going to help me keep my flat install super flat and also help adhere the lace to the glue as well. It's been a few minutes. I went ahead and got dressed, and now I'm ready to cut the lace away from my hairline. And I'm doing so in a jagged motion. Now, I don't want any kind of flashbacks on any of the pictures that I take today, so I want to make sure that I cover up that transparent lace with some more cream foundation in my complexion, just so I can help that hairline stay invisible. And voila, here we go. I am so in love with this, and you know what? I think orange is one of my favorite colors now. I'm definitely going to give this look another try. As always, thank you so much for clicking play on this video and just rocking with me for as long as you have. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by, and make sure to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about everything we do here on Simply Tea TV. Once again, I'll see you next time, same place. Peace out.